Yes, yes, yes. This one, Jatooth, the great Jatooth, otherwise known, worldly popular known as Gregory Isaacs, in his prime with this tune Slave Master from one of no my favorite reggae movies, Rockers, right? This was released in 1978. This movie was released in 1978, and it was about the life of Leroy Arsemouth Wallace, one of Jamaica's most popular drummer, great drummer. And so this is a clip from the movie where the great Jatooth, aka Gregory Isaacs, performed his hit single Slave Master. Scene, and we're gonna get into it and vibe with it. So here we go with Slave Master from Gregory Isaacs.
Thank you. What about I'd like to bring to the stage the superstar, the sort of thing, one and only Mr. Gregory Isaac, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, let him put hands together.
Every time I hear the music and I make a dip, a dip. Slave master comes around and spank I with his whip, a whip. But if I don't get my desire, then I set the plantations in fire. My temperature is getting much higher. Got to give what I require. 'Cause every time we do the work, sometimes we are hurt. Oh yeah. Boss never do a thing but hold on to his girl. But if I don't get my desire, then I set the plantations on fire. My temperature is getting much higher. Got to give what I require. Slave master, slave master. Every time I hear the music and I move my hip, slave master comes around and spank I with his whip, a whip.